in terms of business adoption, where do you think Enterprise India is in the curve of leveraging AI, both for productivity and for customer delight?
So I think, and it's across the board, I think for cross productivity and customer delight, but I'll give you some statistics that I'm privy to. So we did an adoption survey, AI adoption survey globally. And India obviously had a representative sample in that. And what was interesting is I think Indian businesses reported probably the highest number that were actually doing something with AI. So there was, I think, almost like 80+% of Indian businesses said that they were experimenting or doing something with AI. Of those, there's more around 50% that were actually ready to scale. But there were several that actually were reluctant to scale AI for a whole host of reasons, which included things like, skill availability. It included issues around cost. It also, I think what was very interesting is the questioning, can you really trust the outcomes coming out of AI? So it was a mixed bag. So I think we are at a point now where adoption really needs to take on. And people need to identify where you can really use AI for productivity, for customer service, for a whole host of other reasons, and actually start to scale this technology. Its interest and experimentation is quite high.
And how does it
Question is how
compare
much
with,
scale?
let's say, some other economy, at least in your footprint?
Clearly, I think when you look at economies like US, UK, I think even economies like Japan, the adoption, I think, at scale is happening a lot faster.